Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to change your Twitter settings. So recently Twitter just changed video settings in a way that is kind of annoying because you cannot autoplay videos anymore, and it's not like you have two layers of play buttons. You have to tap the first blue layer of the play button and then you have to tap the normal layer of the play button. Now if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now and make sure you also click on the bell icon so that you get notifications to know my new video is uploaded on this channel. So we're just gonna go to Twitter right now. I'm gonna make the video as quick as possible. So you can see the issue right here. You can see a video right here. Now when I tap on that video, you can see there's another bar right here. You can see that bar right there. So technically I have to click on this bar again to play the video. Now for you to stop this, all you have to do is you click on your profile, you click on settings and support, you click on settings and privacy, and then you scroll down to accessibility, display and languages. Now when you're here, you click on accessibility. Now you're going to click on video autoplay under motion, and then you're going to click on mobile data and Wi-Fi. And now I'm just going to go back. I'm just going to reduce my volume, and then I'm going to go back, and then you can see the video right here. When I tap on the video, you can see that that is playing normally. So guys, that's how you can do this, and that's all for this video guys. Like I said before, if you haven't subscribed to this video to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button right now, and make sure you also click on the bell icon so I get notifications to know my new video is uploaded on this channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video.